on the mound.
1-2. Right back to Pineda. Jeter gets one. That's all he could get.
And you know what? That would have been a big play for him, because he has not induced a double play in any of his starts. He's not a sinker ball pitcher, but this was a sure double play. All of a sudden, he didn't know where to go. Through it to right of the bag. Jeter has to make sure that he gets that out. Instead of stopping and gathering plenty of time, giving Jeter a chance to get there and find the bag, he kind of threw it on the run.
And that replay showed you that Hosmer was not even in the frame, but Jeter had to make sure to get that out.